Hey everyone! In this video, I'm showing you how to tie a loop knot. A loop knot is ideal when you're tying your leader line directly onto a lure or jig, allowing it to freely move or naturally. Let's dive in. To begin tying your loop knot, take about 8 to 10 inches of leader line and tie a simple overhand knot, like this. Make a small loop, but don't pull it all the way through. The next step is to take your tag end and pull it through the eye of the hook. The next thing you want to do is take your tag end and pull it through the loop you just created. Now here's the important part. Before you pull the tag end through the loop you just created, make sure you pull it through the bottom of the loop, like this. Once you've pulled your tag end through the loop, you want to wrap it around the main line at least 5 times, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you have your 5 wraps, you want to take your tag end and pull it through the eye of the hook again, like this. Pull them together. It is important that before you tighten up the knot, that you moisten it using your saliva or water. Once moistened, you want to pull the knot tight. There you go. Once the knot is tightened enough, take a scissor and cut your tag end. And here you go, this is your completed loop knot. If your loop knot is tied properly, you'll notice that the tag end is facing downward. The purpose of the loop in this case is to allow your lure or jig to move freely or naturally in water. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and as always, thank you for watching.